In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn photo into a stencil with ink splash effect in Canva. We'll keep this quick and clean, focusing on Canva's built-in tracer so you get that bold, high-contrast stencil look with an expressive, inky vibe. Have your design open in Canva with the photo you want to stylize visible on the canvas or in your Uploads panel. Images with clear lighting and good contrast work best, especially portraits with defined edges. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it. Then open Apps to see Canva's tools and integrations. This is where we'll find the feature that converts your photo into a stencil-style graphic. In the search field at the top of the Apps window, type Tracer. You should see an option called Tracer appear in the results. This is the app that turns photos into simplified, posterized shapes that read like a stencil. Go ahead and click on Tracer to open its panel. Inside Tracer, click on Trace Image. This tells Canva to analyze your selected photo and reduce it to bold areas of black and white. You'll see a quick preview of the result. Don't worry if it looks a little harsh at first. We're about to dial it in. Now adjust the threshold slider. Think of threshold as a spotlight for detail. Sliding to the right pulls in more dark areas and adds detail, while sliding to the left simplifies the image by turning mid-tones to white. For a stencil that still feels expressive, aim for a balance where key features are crisp, eyes, hairline, jaw, or key edges, without cluttering the image with noise. If the face loses definition, raise the threshold slightly. If it looks muddy or blotchy, lower it until the silhouette feels strong and readable from a distance. That ink splash feel often comes from the way edges break apart into bold, ragged patches. Nudge the threshold slowly and watch the edges. Subtle shifts can create organic, splattery transitions that echo real ink. Zoom in to check small features, then zoom out to confirm the overall shape reads clearly. If your photo has very soft lighting, you may need a higher threshold for impact. If it's already high contrast, a lower setting can deliver a cleaner stencil with expressive gaps. When you're happy with the look, you're done. You've transformed your photo into a striking stencil with an ink-forward edge, right inside Canva, using just the tracer and a thoughtful threshold adjustment. Save your design, and you're ready to use it on posters, merch, or social graphics.